Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Good morning,
Miss.
Miss.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, Miss. How about
Miss,
you?
how about you?
I'm doing great, guys. Thank you so much. Please sit down. Oke, sebelum kita memulai kelas, alangkah baiknya kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai. Okay, guys. Before we next to learn material, let me check your attendance. Please scan this QR, guys, untuk mengisi kehadiran kalian hari ini.
Baik, Miss.
Okay. Sudah?
Sudah, Miss.
Okay. Is everyone ready to learn today?
Yes,
Ready,
Miss.
Miss.
Thank you, guys. Okay, next. Look at the question on the screen. Have you ever had an unforgettable experience? What happened? Apakah kalian punya suatu pengalaman yang tidak terlupakan? Apa sih itu kira-kira? Okay, think about it for a moment. Who would like to share? Apa tuh?
I went to Yogyakarta with my family last year, Miss.
That's wonderful. What happened there?
We visit Borobudur, Miss. Borobudur Temple and Malioboro.
Okay, excellent. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, Miss. I very enjoy.
Great. Anyone else yang mau share lagi pengalamannya?
Me, Miss.
Boleh.
I went to Amsterdam
Wow,
last year. Yes.
so good. What happened in Amsterdam?
Oh, there's so much beautiful attractions. So because Amsterdam is a beautiful country, Miss.
Please. So wonderful, yeah. Okay. Thank you for your sharing experience, guys. Today we are going to learn a lesson. You will be able to identify, analyze, improve, and create a recount text. Di slide selanjutnya, I want to show you learning goals and learning objective for today. Langsung aja ke main activity. Now, please read the context on the screen carefully. I want you to imagine that this text was written by a student. However, there are several mistakes in this text. Your task today is to find and solve these problems. Can you do that?
Yes, Miss.
Any question?
Yes, Miss. No, Miss.
Okay, please read the text now. Oke, sudah?
Sudah, Miss. Sudah, Miss.
Now, siapa yang mau jelasin what kinds of mistakes do you think might appear in a context? Siapa yang sudah menemukan kesalahannya?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh.
Aku juga, Miss.
Hasna.
Okay, there some mistakes that I find is grammar, verb form, general structure, and tenses.
Very good. Okay. Oke, lanjut ya. Ada yang punya jawaban lain mungkin selain dari Hasna?
Aku, Miss.
Boleh apa, Jihan?
I think the sentence and the grammar is incorrect because in the context we talk about the event that already experienced and we experience it, and This is last month my class go, itu harusnya when, Miss. Harusnya when karena sudah terjadi, Miss.
Very good, Jihan. Thank you so much. How about you, Nabila?
Yes, Miss. I find the mistakes like grammar, tense-nya juga, Miss, sama.
Okay, very good, guys. Thank you so much for your answer. It's very, very good. Okay, let's move. Let's discuss. Now, please make groups of 4. Each group will receive an LKPD atau student worksheet. Please choose one leader. You have 20 minutes to complete the task. Nah, untuk mengakses student worksheet-nya, kalian bisa scan QR ini. Nanti akan muncul lembar LKPD-nya gitu. Apa yang harus dilakukan oleh teman-teman semuanya? First, identify the mistakes. Second, discuss the corrections. And third, rewrite the text correctly. If you have question, jangan ragu-ragu untuk raise your hands ya guys.
Baik, Miss.
Okay, for group 1, why did you change go into when?
I think because we context use the simple past tense, Miss.
Excellent. What about take?
It should become took.
Very good answer. Okay, next group group 3 is the weather we are sunny. It's correct?
No, Miss. It should be the weather was sunny.
Exactly. Well done. Thank you so much for the answer. Okay, time is up, guys. Now, each group will present the result of your discussion. Please explain the mistake, your correction, and the final version. Group 1, please come forward.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Our group finally found 5 problems in the recontext. The first one is the orientation was incomplete, and the second ones there were several wrong verb forms because the recontext should be used the simple past tense. And the third one is we corrected grammar mistakes such as we very excited to we were very excited, and fourth we rearranged the events into the correct order. Then finally, we improve the ending so the reorientation become more clear or clearer. As a result, the text is now complete and correct recontext. Thank you. Any questions?
Okay.
Saya mau tanya,
Boleh, Nabila. Gimana?
why did you change play into play?
Because in their context, all events happen in the past tense, so we use past tense like that.
Correct. Good job. Let's give them applauses, guys. Okay. Next is reflection with Mentimeter. Oke. Lanjut ya. Oke, guys. Please scan the Mentimeter QR code atau kalian masukin angka-angka yang ada di sini untuk bisa mengaksesnya. Sudah? Ada kendala kah?
Wait, Miss.
Oke. Sudah masuk semua?
Sudah,
Sudah,
Miss.
Miss.
Oke, mulai ya. For the question number 1, what did you learn today? Recount text. And then, I learned recount text. Great. It's about recount text. Okay, good guys. Next question. Wait. What was the most challenging part in recount text? Part apa yang paling susah di recount text ini, guys? Grammar. Grammar again. Tenses. Oke, berarti kita harus belajar lebih lagi tentang grammar tensesnya. Okay, the last question is, how will you improve your recount writing next time? Apa yang mau kalian improve untuk menulis recount text nanti? I will practice more, Miss. More learn about tenses. Once again, practice. Berarti memang harus lebih banyak belajar lagi dan praktiknya juga tidak lupa gitu. Thank you for your honest answers, guys. So, next is summary. Before we finish, can anyone tell me what is a recount text?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh, Hasna.
Okay, recount text is about tells past experiences.
Oh, very good. Okay, what are its generic structures?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh, Nabila.
Generic structure-nya itu ada orientation, events, sama reorientation, Miss.
Excellent. Okay, the last, which tense do we usually use?
Simple past tense, Miss.
Correct, Jan. Thank you guys for the correct answer. Last is homework. For your homework, please write a recount text about your memorable experience. Topiknya bebas. Katanya 150 sampai 200 kata dengan struktur yang benar, dengan tenses yaitu simple past tense juga yang benar. Include at least 10 action verbs in the past form. Pastikan grammar, spelling, dan punctuation-nya benar ya sebelum dikumpulkan. Nah, nanti dikumpulkannya di next meeting ditulis dengan Microsoft Word. Okay. Thank you for your participation today. You all did a great job, guys. I hope today's lessons helps you write a better context. See you next meeting. Have a nice day, guys.
See you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
Much